Hello, 5th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson multiples and factors. Now coming to the topic finding LCM by prime factorization. So what is LCM? Lowest common multiple. Now the method prime factorization. What is prime factorization? So find LCM of 12 and 30. First we will see the example. So 12, you start the prime factorization. So you have to divide by the prime number. Start from 2, 3, 5 like that. Okay. So start because it is a even number, divide by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again even 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime. So 3 1s are 3. Write it down. Prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now 30. It is a even number. Start with 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 remains. 1 and 0, 10. 2 fives are 10. Now 5 ending with 5 means not a even number. So try with 3. 3, yes. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is a prime number. So divide by 5. 5 ones are 5. Now write the prime factorization of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now LCM of 12 and 30. What we have to do? Circle the common factors. So 2 is common and circle it and write 1 time. Any others? Yes, 3 is there. 3 and 3. So circle 3 and write it 1 time. Now uncommon. Which is the uncommon one? इधर यहाँ 2 है और यहाँ 5 है. उसको भी लिखो. So it is 2 common ones 1 time, 3 common 1 time and the uncommon one 2 and 5. Everything you write. Now you multiply. Now while multiplying you have to 2 5s are 10. Isn't it? Now 2 3s are 6. 6 10s are 60. Whenever 2 and 5 are there, so you multiply that first and keep it aside and then you multiply the others. Clear? So that was a prime factorization for finding LCM. Now coming to worksheet 10. Find the prime factorization of 15 and 90 first and find the LCM. So 15, again 15, you have to start with 3, isn't it? 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Write it. Prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. Now 90 ending with 0. So even numbers start with 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remains. 1 and 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. Now ending with 5. Not a even number. Try with 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 remains. 1 and 5 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15 and now prime, that is why put 5. 5 1s are 5. Now write prime factorization of 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now LCM of 15 and 90. What we have to do? See the common ones. So 3. Here 3 is there. Here it is there. Write 1 time. 5 1 time. Write it down. And then 2 and 3. So first circle the common ones. Write it down. Then write the uncommon ones from both the numbers. And then multiply. LCM of 15 into 15 and 90 is 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. That means, what did I tell you? 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. 9 10s are 90. Now coming to question number B. 18 and 24. 18 even number, 2 9s are 18. 9 divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Right. 2 into 3 into 3. Right. Now 24. Even start with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again even 2. 2 6 are 12. 6 even number, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3. So prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now see the common ones. So write LCM of 18 and 24 is equal to, common is 2. Write one time. 3 is common. Write one time. Then what is remaining in the first number? 3. Right? In the second one, 2 and 2. Right? Everything now multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. Otherwise, 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 9s are 72. Now question number C. 25 and 15. 25. Only 5, isn't it? Not by 2 and 3. So you have to go in that order itself. 2, 3, 5, 7. So directly 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Right. Now 15. 3 5s are 5 1s are. So 3 and 5. Now which is common? Write everything. LCM of 25 and 15. 5 is common. Write one time. In the first number 5 is uncommon and 3. So multiply. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. Otherwise 5 3s are 15. 15 5s are 75. Is it clear? So that was the worksheet 10, question number 1, C, up to C. Now coming to D. It's 27, 42. 27. Not a even number. You have to start with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now 42. Even number, start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now not a even, start with 3. First you have to see whether it is. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Why? Because 7 is a prime number. That number itself you have to put. So LCM of 27 and 42. Which is common? 3 is common. No other numbers are common, isn't it? So 3, write one time. Here 3 and 3 and here 2 and 7. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 2 7s are 14. When you multiply, you will get 378. So you have to, if it is a bigger number, you have to multiply in your rough work and see. Now coming to question number 2. Using prime factorization method, find the LCM. Now 16. Even number, start with 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 20. Even 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Write everything. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Count how many times? 4 times. Here 2 into 2 into 4. Now what are common? 2 2 times. Right. So circle the common ones and write one time. Here again 2 is common. Write one time. Here 2 and 2. And here it is 5. Now what did I tell you? 2 and 5 when they are there, you have to multiply first. 2 5s are 10. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 10s are 80. Clear? Coming to question number B. It's a 18 and 27. 18 is a even number. So 2 9s are 18. 9 divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Right. 2 into 3 into 3. Now 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Right. 3 times. Now what are all common? 3 2 times are common, isn't it? 3 circle right one time. 3 circle right one time. Here 2 is there. Right. Here 3 is there. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 9 6s are 54. Now coming to question number C. See, prime factorization. I have written the short form PF. But in the exams and all, please don't write the short forms. Okay. So we are doing repeatedly many sums. That is why we are using the short forms here. Now 12. 12 6 are 2. 12 is a even number. So start with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Right. 2 into 2 into 3. Here 22. Even numbers start with 2. 2 11s are. Now 11 is a prime number. Hope you have revised the list of prime numbers. For this topic, you have to revise that prime numbers list. Then it will be easy. So 11 is a prime number. So put that number ones are. Now 2 into 11. Now LCM. 2 is common, write one time. Here 2 and 3 are there. Here 11 is there. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 3 11s are 33. When you multiply 33 into 4, 132. Now coming to question number D. 15 and 24. 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Right. Now 24, even number, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. Now LCM common, it's 3. Write one time. Then in the first number it is 5. In the second number 3 times 2. Count and write. Now 2 5s are 30. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 10s are 120. Clear? So we have completed second question up to D. Now coming to second question E. It's 8 and 16. So 8 is a even number. So start with the 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So in the first number 3 times 2. In the second number 4 times 2. Now LCM common. So 3 times you got 2 and the uncommon one time. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now coming to question number F. It's 25 and 35. 25, 5, isn't it? 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 35, directly 5. 5 7s are 35. 7 is a prime number. So 7 1s are 7. So for 25 it is 5 5s are. For 35 5 7s are. So you have to write 5 one time and here 5 and then 7. Now 5 5s are 25, 25 7s are. Multiply and see, we'll get 175. Now coming to question number G. 36 and 45. 36. Even number start with 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 remains. 1 and 6. 16. 2 eights are 16. 8. That means it is an even number. So start with 2. 2 nines are 18. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. Now 45. Not a even. So start with 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 is remaining. 1 and 5, 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. So it is 3 into 3 into 5. Now LCM. What did I tell you? So circle the common ones. 3 circle and write one time. Again 3 circle and write one time. Here in the first number 2 and 2. Right. And the second number 5 is remaining. So write it. 2 fives are 10. 3 threes are 9. 9 twos are 18. 18 tens are 180. Now H. 33. Not a even. So start with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 11 is a prime. So put 11. 11 ones are 11. Now 44. Even. So start with 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Again even. 2 11s are 22. Now 11. Now in the first number it is 3 into 11. In the second number it is 2 into 2 into 11. So which is common? 11. Circle and write one time. In the first number common is 3. In the second number 2 into 2. Now 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 into 11 is 132. Now question number I. 20 and 35. 20. Even number. 2 tens are 20. 2 fives are 10. 5 ones are 5. 35. 5 sevens are 35. 7 is a prime. 7 ones are 7. So, for 20 you will be writing 2 into 2 into 5. For 35 you will be writing 5 into 7. Which is common? 5. Which are uncommon numbers? 2 into 2 and 7. Now 5 twos are 10. 2 sevens are 14. 14 tens are 140. Clear? Now coming to the last sum. 54 and 38. 54. Even number. So 2 twos are 4. 1 remains. That is 1 and 4 is 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now 27, not a even. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Now coming to 38. 2 ones are even. So start with 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 remains. 1 and 8, 18. 2 nines are 18. Now 19 is a prime. So put 19. 19 ones are 19. So common ones, 2 is common. Only 1. Isn't it? 2 is common. And uncommon, 3 into 3 into 3. Then 19. When you multiply, you will get 1026. Is it clear? So we have completed the worksheet 10. We have completed the lesson. Only brain teasers is remaining. Hope everyone understood the lesson. And I have told you earlier also, practice makes a man perfect. So you have to, after each worksheet, you have to repeat that worksheet in your revision notebook one more time. Then you will be confident of that topic. Is it okay? Okay then. Thank you. Bye.